Everyone, I'm Veola, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about using a breast pump in a simple and comfortable way. If you're new to pumping or still getting used to it, this video is for you. First, let's take a quick look at the pump. The Veola Breastpump is designed to feel gentle and practical for everyday use. It has a soft silicone cup that helps create a secure but comfortable seal, and the bottle attaches easily to collect milk safely. Before starting, always check that all parts are clean and properly assembled. Find a comfortable place to sit where you can relax. Good posture really helps, so try to keep your shoulders loose and your back supported. When you're ready, gently position the pump and make sure it feels natural. There should be no pain or strong discomfort. Begin slowly. A steady and calm rhythm is more important than speed. Give your body a moment to respond. If you're using an electric pump, start on a lower setting and increase gradually if needed. If it's manual, keep the pressure gentle and consistent. Breathing slowly can make the process easier. Staying relaxed helps your body respond better. Every mom's experience is different, so don't compare your journey to anyone else's. When you're finished, carefully remove the pump and secure the bottle. Make sure to clean all parts thoroughly so they're ready for the next session. Pumping can feel overwhelming at first, but with time it becomes more natural. Be patient with yourself. You're doing something amazing for your baby. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more simple